morning, guys. I am from Trirad Solutions. So today we are going to learn about DOM in JavaScript. So before going to the coding part, let me create a text pad here. So there I will be writing the definitions and the codes. So DOM here, and let me start this notepad here. And yeah, guys. So let's start. So today our topic is DOM in JavaScript. JavaScript. DOM in JavaScript. So what is this DOM, first of all, and from where this DOM is coming into the picture? So DOM stands for document object model. DOM stands for document object model. It is used to pick or select elements from the HTML page, HTML from the HTML page, from the DOM stands for document object model. It is used to pick or select the elements from the HTML page and provide and and give them style or attach functionalities functionalities to it. So this is the working of DOM. So the following are the methods used in JavaScript to provide functionalities. Functionality by using DOM. By using DOM. So what are the functionalities? The first one is document dot get element. Document dot get element by ID. The first one is this. The second one is document dot get element by class name. Class name. The third one is document dot get element by tag name. Document dot get element by tag name. So how now with the help of the code we are going to learn about how we can write the code for and this how we can get the element pick the element by using document dot get element by ID, by using document dot get element by class name, and by using document dot get element by tag name. So now let's go to the VS Code here. Code space dot code space dot. So here first I am writing here. So here I am creating task task 29th June dot HTML. So here I am writing section. First of all, I'm creating a section here and I'm giving ID is equals to example1 h2 here, and I'm giving accessing 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 elements DOM elements. So after that here paragraph tag I am writing and ID of that paragraph I am giving as my paragraph my paragraph So here I am writing I am a JavaScript JavaScript developer. I am a JavaScript developer. And here after that, after this paragraph, after this section tag, after this paragraph only, let me create a button here. So the ID of the button I am giving here as ID of the button I am giving as change button, change button. So change text. Yeah, so after that here I am going to open the script tag, and here let's see how we are going to right now. If I run this code, you will be seeing that how my output is coming on the screen. So right now my output is something like this. So my output is currently like this. I am a JavaScript developer. But what my idea is, once I click on this change text button, the text should be changed into I am a full stack developer. So how I can add this functionality? So by help of this document.getElement by ID, we are going to add this functionality. So now let me write the script here. So first of all here we have to pick the button, because once we click on the button, then only that functionality should happen. So for that, let me pick that button. So I'm saying let hold is equals to document.getElement by ID, document.getElement by ID here. So here I am saying my para, my paragraph here. So after that here, once again, I am saying my paragraph, and here dot add event listener, and here I am attaching the click event click. So after that function, and here I'm going to write the function for it. So here I'm saying let para is equals to document dot get element by ID here, and here I am saying my paragraph. So this is my paragraph. So here I am saying document.getElement by ID, and here I am pasting that my paragraph ID. Okay, so after this, what will happen is para dot inner HTML is equals to, I am saying I am a full stack developer. I am a full stack developer. So now if I run this code, here, so let me see how whether it works or not. So if I click on this button, so I am a JavaScript developer will be changed to I am a full stack developer. So once I click on it, so it is now changing to I am a full stack developer. Let me refresh it once. So if I click on this, it will be changed into full stack developer. So now it is changing into I am a full stack developer. So I hope this functionality is clear to everyone. So now we are going to add one another functionality, that is, now if you will be seeing that once again if I click here, it is not going back to I am a JavaScript developer. So now let me refresh it this once. I am a JavaScript developer. If I click on this, it is changing into I am a full stack developer. But now one more functionality I want to add, that is, once again if I click here, so now it should go to again it should go back to I am a JavaScript developer. How to add that functionality? Now let's see once again. So here, let me for a moment remove this here. I'm saying para dot inner HTML is equals to here I I here I am a JavaScript. I am a JavaScript developer. Then question mark. I am a full stack developer. Else, this question mark checks for the if condition. If this is the text, I am a JavaScript is the text, then it will change to I am a full stack developer. And if this full stack is the text, then it will change back again to I am a JavaScript developer. I am a JavaScript developer. So now let's see, if I click on here, it will change to I am a full stack developer. Why it is not going back? Let me run this code once again. So right now it's not going back. Let me check the code. Everything seems fine. Let me write the code once again here. So here I am saying I am a full stack developer. So now if I run this code here, so now if I click here, it is now going back. But once again, clicking, it should navigate to the next part. So for that purpose, here I am writing para dot inner HTML is equals to is equals to is equals to. Here I am saying I am a JavaScript developer. This text needs to be changed. So here I am putting then condition I am writing, and here I am saying I am a full stack developer. Then here I am saying I am a JavaScript developer. So now let me run this code and see what happens here. Now, yes, it is working, guys. Okay. So now let me refresh once. So if I click this, I am a JavaScript developer. If I click on this change text button, so now it is now changing to I am a full stack developer. Once again, if I click here, so it is changing to I am a JavaScript developer. Once again, if I click, it is going to I am a full stack developer. Once again, if I click, it is changing to I am a JavaScript developer. So in this way, we can write the functionalities for it. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's session. This was all related to DOM. In the next section, we will be seeing other concepts of JavaScript. So I hope you guys are enjoying my sessions. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.